I'm Kit Nuttall. I'm an academic manager here at ICTE. I'm responsible for the teachers and the students on a number of different courses. All of the students who take General English are doing it because they want to become better communicators. They want to move through the world using English, making themselves understood using English, speaking, reading, writing, listening. So all of the people in General English, their aim is to be a better communicator. The classmates and the teacher. So the classmates are the people you'll be communicating with. They're there to join you on the journey of becoming a better communicator in English. And the other important person is the teacher. They're there to support you, to help you, to give you advice, and to help you on your journey. They're there also to give you feedback, to let you know what areas you need to work more on and what areas you're doing really well in. Every student in GE has a different goal. There are students who are doing it for work, there are students who are doing it for study, some for travel, some just for life. There's a million different reasons why a student would take GE. What someone could expect in a General English class? The key word, I suppose, is fun. Because if you're having fun, you're learning. So the teacher sets up a range of different activities, sometimes on paper, sometimes digitally, sometimes just face-to-face. And the students are expected to use their English and extend what they know so that they can reach a new level. The teacher's role is definitely not to stand at the front and lecture. The teacher's role is to listen and watch carefully to the language that the students are using. They then should respond by either offering correction or feedback or adjusting what the students are learning in class. So the teacher's biggest responsibility is their responsibility. There are so many success stories of students who've studied GE at ICTE and gone on to achieve great things. But when you see a student suddenly gain the confidence and the ability to express themselves clearly in English and for the other person to understand, that's success.